According to research from TU Delft and the Airport Cooperative Research Program, terminal layouts follow a concept called the Golden Walk, a path that exposes every traveler to maximum retail visibility before they even reach their boarding gate. That's not coincidence, it's strategy. What seems like convenience is often control in disguise. In this video, we're exposing the secret systems that shape how you travel and spend inside airports and airplanes. If you love uncovering the truths behind modern travel and design psychology, hit subscribe, drop a like and share this video. Because today, we're decoding the airport like you've never seen it before. 1. The best time to book for lower fares. If airlines had you believe there's a best day to book, they'd be right, sort of. Data from airlines and travel analysts suggest that booking 3 weeks to 4 months in advance often yields the best deals. Also, Tuesday afternoons or early Wednesday seem to see fare drops as airlines adjust prices to match competitors. Booking during early morning hours can be helpful. Fewer people are browsing, leaving less competition. Midweek flights and even holiday day of travel, yes, sometimes flying on the actual holiday is cheaper, can also surprise you with low prices. 2. That $40,000 Olive and airline micro savings. In an oft-retold cost-cutting story, American Airlines once eliminated a single olive from every first-class salad, saving about $40,000 per year with zero drop in customer satisfaction. Why does this matter? Because airlines and airports operate on razor-thin margins. Small changes, even removing one olive or tweaking how a meal is portioned, can multiply into huge savings across millions of flights. Another case. One airline reportedly saved tens of thousands annually by reducing the weight of coat hangers used on board. These tiny tweaks add up. But the olive story also reveals something deeper: the level of control airlines exert over your experience without you ever noticing. 3. What really happens to your checked bag? When you drop your suitcase at check-in and never think about it again. But here's what they don't tell you. Once your bag leaves the counter, there's no human watching it. It goes into a network of conveyor belts, barcode scanners, and sorting machines. If something goes wrong, barcode unreadable, sticker remnants, or a machine error, your bag could be rerouted to the wrong destination entirely. Because of this, hundreds of thousands of bags are mishandled each year worldwide. Airlines rarely disclose that if you fail to photograph your bag before check-in, it becomes much harder to trace. A simple tip: take a clear photo, note the bag tag, and, if possible, place a GPS tracker or AirTag inside. That small photo or tracking device can be your best evidence when your luggage vanishes. 4. The hidden food economics. That boxed meal in front of you didn't just appear, it was planned months ago. Airlines partner with central kitchen hubs that prepare meals 6 to 10 hours before departure, often serving multiple airlines from the same facility. Why do airline meals taste off? Because your sense of taste dulls at altitude by roughly 30%, according to aviation research. To counteract this, chefs add more salt, spices, or garlic than they would on the ground. On top of flavor tweaks, cost is everything. That olive anecdote is real, but there are many more. Airlines have removed garnishes, cut down portion sizes subtly, or cut expensive ingredients, all without telling you. 5. The secret of security cloth. Swabs and facial recognition. That moment at security when an officer asks you to rub your hands or your bag on a cloth, they're not testing your hygiene, they're scanning for chemical trace residues. Security systems maintain scent databases of dangerous substances. Matching patterns trigger alarms. Beyond that, many major airports now use facial recognition, AI systems that subtly scan crowds to flag individuals. Some systems operate even before you reach the gate, monitoring your movement patterns in real time. A lesser-known loophole: frozen liquids often slip through security so long as they're fully frozen. Breast milk, baby formula, and some medications that exceed 100 milliliters can also be carried provided you declare them. This is rarely advertised but allowed under many security rules. 6. VIP lounges, not just for the elite. You don't have to fly first class to enjoy luxury lounges. Many airports sell 24-hour lounge passes to economy ticket holders, sometimes for less than a night at a nearby hotel. What you get? Free food, drinks, showers, and quiet places to relax. Certain credit cards or travel memberships include lounge access as perks even when you're flying economy. And in some airports, there are secret connector tunnels between terminals, available unevenly and often only known by staff or savvy travelers. 7. Why you should avoid public charging stations. Scrolling through your phone in an airport? Be cautious. Public USB charging ports may carry hidden malware or data harvesting tools. Some hackers install malicious code into those ports. Instead, plug into wall outlets when possible, or carry a USB data blocker, often called a USB condom. This allows power transmission without the data pins, preventing unwanted transfer of information. Similarly, public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. Use a VPN or encrypted connection to protect your data, especially when checking email, banking, or entering passwords. 8. Speeding through with TSA, pre-check and upgrades too. Long security lines killing your vibe? TSA pre-check can be your lifeline. With pre-approval, you skip full security. No need to take off your shoes, belt, or laptops. But here's another hack. Airlines often release upgrades around 4 days before departure. Check your booking then. You might be able to snag a better seat for free or low cost. Also, frequent flyers with elite status often enjoy spontaneous complimentary upgrades when economy is oversold. 9. Overlooked perks of frequent flyer programs. Frequent flyer programs are more than just miles. Many travelers don't realize that airlines also give access to lounges, priority boarding, bonuses on partner services, hotels, car rentals, retail, and hidden upgrade opportunities, even on economy flights. If you fly regularly, consolidating your flights under one airline or alliance boosts your status faster and unlocks benefits others never see. 10. The carpet, lighting, and layout that make you shop. It might seem accidental that the carpet feels plush, the lighting soft, and the ceilings low just as you enter the terminal shops, but it's not. Airport designers harness behavioral psychology to shape your mood. According to Medium's report, making a space feel cozy and controlled can relax passengers, which in turn boosts impulse purchases. More than that, the entire walk from security to your gate is often designed to maximize exposure to retail. It's called the Golden Walk. Airports force you to meander past duty-free shops, cafes, and kiosks. One expert estimates that non-aeronautical revenue, things like shops and ads, made up about 40% of airport income before the pandemic. So that shortcut you think you're taking, it's probably a retail corridor in disguise. 11. Jet lag hacks that actually work. Jet lag can ruin the first days of a trip, but it doesn't have to. Start adjusting to your destination's time zone a bit before you depart. Shift your bedtime earlier or later as needed. Hydration is key. Drink lots of water before, during, and after your flight. Ditch caffeine and alcohol, they dehydrate you. The moment you board, set your watch to your destination's time. Mentally, you're already there. When you arrive, soak up daylight. Exposure to natural light helps reset your internal clock. Eat light meals, stay active, and avoid long naps if arriving midday. Some travelers use melatonin supplements, but talk to a doctor before doing so. 12. Decoding the mystery on your boarding pass. That cryptic code printed on your boarding pass is more than decoration. Understanding it can make your journey smoother. The two-letter airline code, like AA for American, BA for British Airways, tells you the carrier. The following number is the specific flight number. Lower numbers often denote flagship routes. Your seat code, say 12A or C34, reveals your specific position. Letters like Y, J, F represent class. Y is economy, J is business, F is first. Knowing these ahead of time helps you monitor upgrades or better seats as travel nears. When you step into an airport, you're entering a carefully orchestrated system. Every floor plan, every shop placement, every subtle lighting shift, all of it works to convert you into a buyer. Airlines and airports are locked in a quiet war for revenue, leveraging behavioral science, technology, and cost engineering, all behind the scenes. These secrets ripple outward. They shape your perceptions, your spending, and your entire travel experience. When you realize how much control they hold, you reclaim power as a traveler. At the end of the day, airports and airlines don't want you to see all this, but now you do. You have the tools to travel smarter, not manipulated. So which secret surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. Want to go deeper into airline revenue tactics or airport designs? Let me know below. And if you found this eye-opening, hit subscribe because the world of travel hides more than you think, and I'm here to uncover it.